Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open and access your Android phone storage wirelessly on a Windows 11 PC without needing a USB cable. This is perfect if you want to move files, photos, or documents between your PC and phone while keeping your workspace cable-free. Before we begin, make sure you have a fairly up-to-date setup. Your Windows 11 PC should be fully updated, ideally running the 24H2 update. Your Android phone should be running Android 11 or later. Both devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and Bluetooth needs to be turned on for both. You'll also need to be signed in with a Microsoft account on your PC. For full wireless file access, you'll need to install a companion app on your phone called Link to Windows. And right now, this feature works best if you are part of the Windows Insider program, since it is still rolling out. Now, let's set it up. On your PC, open the Settings app and go to Bluetooth and Devices. Find the section called Mobile Devices. Turn on the option that says Allow this PC to access your mobile devices. If you're not already signed into your Microsoft account, it will ask you to sign in. Next, pick up your phone and go to the Google Play Store. Search for and install the Link to Windows app. Once it's installed, open it and follow the prompts. Your phone will ask for permission to connect to your PC. Allow that. Your PC will also show a confirmation code. Just confirm the code matches on both devices. After the connection is complete, your phone and PC are now connected through the phone link system. You'll be able to see texts, notifications, call logs, battery percentage, everything right from your computer. But the best part, you can now access your phone's internal storage directly in File Explorer, just like you would with the USB flash drive. Open File Explorer, and in the sidebar, you should see your Android device listed. Click it, and you'll be able to browse folders, move files, copy images, and manage data wirelessly, and there you go. Your phone and PC are now connected without a cable, and you can transfer files anytime completely wirelessly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments if you'd like a video on how to mirror your Android screen to your PC for free. See you in the next one.